Finance for HR Professions and Compensation Management MCQs Part 6. The dash is easy to calculate and understand. Option A profit, option B loss, option C salary, option D commission. The correct answer is option D commission. In cash plan, the percentage profit generally dash to dash is distributed as profit share at regular intervals. Option A 5 to 10%, option B 50 to 55%, option C 15% to 20%, option D 30 to 40%. The correct dash develop loyalty among sales staff. Option A salary plan, option B piecework plan, option C combination plan, option D profit sharing plan. Correct answer is option A salary plan. The top level executive earn dash of his or her salary as incentive apart from the salary. Option A 50%, option B 80%, option C 60%, option D 70%. Correct answer is option B 80%. Long term plans using stock option are mostly practiced in dash India, option B Korea, option C US, option D Japan. The correct answer is option C US. Sharing of benefit popularly is more effective when the number of participants are less than dash. Option A 100, option B 500, option C 800, option D 1000. The correct answer is option D 1000. Plan is one in which the employee are engaged in a common efforts to achieve the company productivity objective. Option A gain sharing plan, option B sell-on plan, option C merit pay, option D salary pay. The correct answer is option A gain sharing plan. Wage differential have been classified into dash categories. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option B 3. In dash space, the pay incentive is based on the team result rather than to individual employee based on their individual performance. Option A incentive for manager and executive, option B incentive for salespeople, option C team or group incentive plan, option D earning at risk. The correct answer is option C team or group incentive plan. Dash plan aims at synchronizing the company goals with the employee goals. Option A gain sharing plan, option B profit sharing plan, option C scale-on plan, option D salary plan. The correct answer is option C scale-on plan. Scale-on plan was developed in dash by Joseph Scalon. Option A 1943, option B 1953, option C 1963, option D 1973. The correct answer is option D 1973. Dash allow client to custom design and build to generate result. Option A incentive, option B wages, option C technologies, option D theories. The correct answer is option C technologies. Dash reflect the relative wage level of worker in different plant in the same area and occupation. Option A inter-industry differential, option B inter-firm differential, option C occupational differential, option D personal wage differentials. The correct answer is option B inter-firm differentials. Wage fund theory was developed by J.S. Mill in 1861, 1871, 1881, 1891. The correct answer is option D 1891. Dash theory was developed by the French economics Socrates. Option A subsistence theory of wages, option B wage fund theory, option C residual claimant theory, option D bargaining of wages. The correct answer is option A subsistence theory of wage. Dash differentiate arise because of difference in the personal characteristics of workers. Inter-industry differentials, occupational differentials, option C personal wage differentials, option D inter-firm differentials. The correct answer is option C personal wage differentials. American economist Mr. Walker offered dash theory, wage fund theory, option B residual claimant theory, option C bargaining of wage theory, option D subsistence theory of wages. The correct answer is option B residual claimant theory. Bargaining theory was developed by John Davidson in 1868, 1878, 1888, 1898. The correct answer is option D, 1898. Dash theory was developed by Phillips Henry Wicksteed by John Bell's Clark. Option A, marginal productivity theory. Option B, wage fund theory. Option C, residual claimant theory. Option D, bargaining theory of wages. The correct answer is option A, marginal productivity theory. In some cases, dash are also used to encourage planned mobility of labor. Option A, occupational differential. Option B, regional differential. Option C, interfund differential. Option D, inter-area or regional differential. The correct answer is option B, regional differential. Bargain theory was developed by dash. Option A, Mr. Walker. Option B, John Davidson. Option C, Phillips Henry Wicksteed. Option D, John Bates Clark. The correct answer is option B, John Davidson. Residual claimant theory was offered by American economics dash Phillips Henry Wicksteed. Option B, John Davidson. Option C, John Bates Clark. Option D, Mr. Walker. The correct answer is option D, Mr. Walker. Substitution theory of wage was developed by dash. Option A, David Ricardo. Option B, Psychocratic. Option C, Lassell. Option D, John Davidson. The correct answer is option B, Psychocratic. Salon plan was developed in 1973 by dash. Option A, Lassell. Option B, Mr. Walker. Option C, Joseph Salon. Option D, David Ricardo. The correct answer is option C, Joseph Salon. Dash plan should include both individual and group incentive. Option A, piecework plan. Option B, incentive plan. Option C, salary plan. Option D, commission plan. The correct answer is option B, incentive plan.